Fire-Boltt is making a strong comeback with its latest offerings, the rugged and reliable Attribution and Quest smartwatches. These timepieces are meticulously crafted for individuals who lead active lifestyles and demand durability, versatility, and style in their wearable tech. Both the Fire-Boltt Attribution and Quest models are developed to withstand the challenges of an active life. Sporting a rugged exterior, these smartwatches feature a sturdy build that can handle the wear and tear of outdoor adventures. The addition of 2 physical buttons and a rotating crown makes navigating the user interface a breeze, even in the most challenging conditions. The Fire-Boltt Attribution and Quest smartwatches both come equipped with a 1.39-inch HD TFT IPS screen, providing sharp and vivid visuals. Whether you're checking your notifications, tracking your fitness progress, or simply checking the time, the display ensures clarity and readability. Fitness enthusiasts will find these smartwatches to be excellent companions on their journey to better health. The Fire-Boltt Attribution offers an extensive selection of 120+ sports modes, while the Quest boasts 100 modes to cater to a wide range of physical activities. Whether you're into running, swimming, cycling, or yoga, these watches have you covered. Moreover, both models feature an AI voice assistant that adds a layer of convenience to your daily tasks. They also support Bluetooth calling, allowing you to take calls directly from your wrist, thanks to the built-in microphone and speaker. For outdoor enthusiasts, the built-in GPS is a valuable addition, aiding in navigation and precise activity tracking. You can keep an eye on your route, distance covered, and speed, making these smartwatches perfect for hiking, biking, or exploring new terrains. Health monitoring is a top priority for Fire-Boltt. These watches offer a comprehensive suite of health tracking features, including sleep tracking, SpO2 monitoring, heart rate tracking, women's health tracking, and breathing exercises. Whether you're concerned about your sleep quality, heart health, or menstrual cycle, these smartwatches have you covered. In addition to their fitness and health capabilities, the Fire-Boltt Attribution and Quest are packed with a range of handy features. You can enjoy inbuilt games, receive smart notifications, use a calculator, get real-time weather updates, control your camera and music, set timers and alarms, use the stopwatch function, and even receive reminders to stay hydrated. Both models are rated IP67 for water and dust resistance, ensuring that they can endure various environmental conditions. Whether you're caught in the rain during a run or find yourself in dusty terrain, your smartwatch will keep working seamlessly. With a collection of watch faces to choose from, you can personalize your Fire-Boltt smartwatch to match your style and mood. The 300 mAh battery ensures that you can enjoy all these features without constantly worrying about recharging. With a remarkable battery life of up to 7 days on a single charge, you can go on week-long adventures without needing to recharge your smartwatch. Great news for tech-savvy enthusiasts and fitness buffs. The Fire-Boltt Attribution and Quest smartwatches are now available at an incredibly affordable price of just 1,999 rupees or $25. These feature-packed smartwatches offer outstanding value for those seeking a reliable and rugged companion for their active lifestyles. In conclusion, Fire-Boltt has truly outdone itself with the Attribution and Quest smartwatches. These timepieces offer a blend of rugged appearance, fitness and health features, and an array of useful functions, all in a stylish and durable package. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a fitness fanatic, or simply looking for a versatile and reliable smartwatch, Fire-Boltt's Attribution and Quest models are worth considering. Would you purchase yourself a watch like this? Write your opinion in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.